All right, let's say you all are looking for a shipping container home. This is the one we call the Black Beauty. I'm going to start over here in the bedroom. This shipping container home, as you can see, lots of natural light coming in. This shipping container home is a 8 foot in width by 40 foot long, and it's got the 9 foot walls on it. Okay, so it's an 8 by 40 with the 9 foot walls. You got your combination washer and dryer connection there. You got your remote control there for your mini split. This comes with the one mini split for heating and cooling. Got a queen size bed here. Inside this little closet, little cupboard, you got your tankless water heater for your instant hot water, right? Obviously in these smaller modular cabins and modular shipping container homes, you don't want to put a big old 40-gallon water heater here. That's going to take up a lot of very important space. And then get the beautiful LVP floors. And you, of course, got your barn doors here for privacy into your bedroom. So let me step back so you can see that. So you got your barn doors there for privacy. Open that up. Again, you got multiple windows here for natural light. Got like a little living room here. Remember, this is just a studio. So for those of you all out there that got a family of 5 or 6, talking about, oh, that's too small for me. This ain't meant for a family of 5 or 6, y'all. This is just meant for, a lot of people buying this, they buy them for like what we call granny pods, to where mama and papa, mom and dad, they're getting older and you want to keep them out of the old folks' home. So you put them in one of these, right, in the backyard. That way they can still maintain their integrity and independence, and you keep them out of the old folks' home. So a lot of people are buying these for those. We also have a lot of investors that buy these, and they'll buy 5 or 6 of them and put them out on their land and rent them out as Airbnbs and VRBOs, because come to find out, people actually really like kind of staying in shipping container homes, okay, for like a little Airbnb type of thing. This one comes with your stove, refrigerator, microwave. You got a 4-burner induction stove. That's one of them flat electric stoves. Got a nice little sink here. You look out on your land. Okay, when you do some cleaning, all kinds of cabinet space. And then you see the theme over here. Well, before we go in there, there's your front door. There's your little Mr. Cool thermostat to control your heating and cooling over there. Okay, you got your lights up there. Again, you got the barn door here where, see what I'm saying? For privacy when you're handling your business, all kinds of space there on the commode to handle your business. Sink, there you go. And of course, this got a stand-up shower in it, walk-in shower, but you are welcome if you want for us to put a tub in it. As you can see, there's all kind of room next to the toilet. If you want a tub instead of a walk-in shower, we can do that. So this one is called the Black Beauty Shipping Container Home. It is fully insulated, ready to go. This one can be moved into today. So let me walk outside real quick and show you what the outside of it looks like. So again, this is a 8 foot by 40 foot with 9 foot walls shipping container home. You see they got the door welded shut here. They got it welded. That's where the bathroom's at. And then around this way, you can kind of see all the venting stuff going on here on the top. And I'm gonna walk around. There's the windows. And over here, you'll see the mini split and your electrical panel. Obviously, your plumbing is going to go from underneath. Here's your Mr. Cool system. You got your electrical panel, and you got one of these little electrical switches down here. So this thing is plug and play, ready to go. All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got the pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceilings, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or you know, one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one. So let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. All right, guys, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, but you just want something that's only $45,000. This is the one we call the Carrot Top. Beautiful cabin. It's an all-wood cabin with a tin roof, 26-gauge metal roof. You got your double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. This one here, like I said, has got the 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. It's a 14 by 28 livable. So with the porch open, you're 20 by 28 with the porch open. It's just a simple little cabin. Let me show you inside real quick. Like I said, this one's only $45,000, so it don't take but a second to walk through it here. Open up the front door and bam, straight ahead you got your kitchen, the old kitchenette area there. Really nice size open concept living room. You got them beams up there, isn't that pretty? Got them beautiful knotty pine floors. And then when you turn around this way and look over that way, you got your little bedroom there, which we can frame that out if you want us to close it off. You got a storage nook up top there, like a loft. That's where your bathroom's gonna go. And then you got a little nook over here where you put your little closet. So again, this one is only $45,000 as is. Let me step back so you can see it in all its glory. It's called the Carrot Top. Very popular cabin. Again, just $45,000 as is, or you can go smaller. We can do different sizes, but this one here is a 14 by 28, like I said, just like you see it, for 45 grand, or we can put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in, make it turnkey for $60,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 595-4033. Getting beautiful cabinets. And this is the one we got called the Carrot Top. Okay, this is just a little walkthrough video. Let me show you the outside of it again real quick. And then I know y'all are busy, so I'll let y'all go after this. Here you go. It's got a 26 gauge metal roof on it. We call it Carrot Top because it got an orange roof on it. This one is available for sale off the lot. 45 grand, let's get it done, plus shipping and setup. Or we can do one custom for you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and follow. Appreciate you watching my content. Link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com.